before I go to bed, I love reading books. I love reading words and the way the pictures look.
Hi, my name is Sebastian.
And my name is Alexander. We're the Gemelos Bilingües.
We like reading books.
And we hope you like reading books too. Today's book is Love. Love is a fancy dinner. Love needs special presents. And designer greeting cards. Love calls for bouquets of flowers. And must have the finest chocolate. Love sounds like poetry. And has a beautiful melody. Love comes in the shape of a heart. And sparkles like diamonds. Love happens at first sight. And needs the tightest hugs. Love deserves to be shouted from the rooftops. Because nothing else matters without love. The end.
You can find this book
and many more at your local library.
I love to go to libraries, look around and search, and I read so many books that I learned a lot of words. I can tell you stories that you never ever heard, and I love to read about people different than me, and I'm thankful I can read, I'm thankful I can see, and before I go to bed, yeah, I love reading books.